Hi, I'm Aziz Lokenval and I'm the product manager for Panasonic Assembly Tools. Introducing the N-gineric high accuracy micro driver system. Let's talk about micro fastening. If your assembly line requires high speed, low torque fastening, the new N-gineric micro driver system delivers the highest accuracy at the smallest possible torque levels. Take a look at how this advanced system offers a turnkey micro driver solution, all through one easy to program software platform. So what makes this system better? This is an all-in-one solution that combines a high-accuracy micro driver, a bit tray, a position sensing arm, and work instructions. And it all works together seamlessly through intuitive software. Let's take a look at each component. A best-in-class micro driver has a built-in high-accuracy rotary transducer at the bit chuck to deliver precise torque at extremely low ranges. The adaptive screw tightening strategy provides the detection of the snug torque during the rundown. Depending on the snug torque, an additional constant or proportionate amount of torque can be applied to the screw joint to achieve repeatable clamping force. This is revolutionary because it reduces the effect of inconsistent parts. A digital bit tray connects via USB and can store up to 8 bits. Easily program the tray to adjust the coil sensitivity and light sensors so only the right bit fits in each slot. Lights around each bit slot make it easy for the operator to identify the correct bit. The bit tray features 3 physical buttons that can be used to allow an operator to navigate through their production process. That means never worrying about using the incorrect bit. The system includes a robust local positioning torque arm with integrated sensors to precisely track the tool position. This is important because it's accurate to within 2 millimeters. The arm is simple to calibrate too. Just move it into the correct position for a step, click a Learn button, and you're all set. The innovative work instruction system guides the operator through the production process without confusion. You can set up visual instructions by simply uploading an image from your PC, overlaying the fastening indicators onto the image, and adding text to make the instructions crystal clear. For a fully error-proof solution, easily sequence the indicators to match the instructions with the correct bit, tool program, and learned arm position. A complete microdriver solution with minimal components and intuitive configuration sets the N-gineric microdriver system apart from the rest. Easily connect all components through a PC and control the entire process through one software platform for an error-proof production process.
If you have any questions, you can contact us at 800-808-7168, or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com. We look forward to assist you with your manufacturing needs.